Hello guys, welcome to this new video and happy new year. In this video, we're going to be unboxing and trying out the AirPods Pro. Apologies for my voice, I have a little bit of a cold, but I'm going to power through. Now let's get to it. The AirPods Pro is a successor to the AirPods 2, which I have the wireless charging case one here. So we're going to get into this box to see why this is a Pro version. But before we do that, we have to take a look around the box. In front here, obviously, we have a picture of the AirPods Pro. On the right side, we have just the Apple logo. Same thing on the left. On the bottom here, we have the model number, and as you can see, AirPods Pro with wireless charging case. And round back, you can see a picture of the AirPods Pro in its wireless charging case. Now, let's rip this box open. Pull tab here. Here we have some literature. I hope we get stickers this time. We didn't get stickers with the regular AirPods. No stickers even after paying close to $300. And next in the box we have the AirPods Pro right here. And it seems we can pull this. Type-C to Lightning. Nice to see that. So there it is, the AirPods Pro wireless charging case. And a quick comparison to the regular AirPods, slightly bigger and in a different orientation, portrait and landscape if you may. Now let's open up the AirPods Pro case. We can see the AirPods Pro looking really nice in there with the white light blinking, suggesting it's ready to make a connection, unlike my love life. So those are the AirPods Pro. And in comparison to the AirPods 2, they are shorter and I would say a tad bulkier. Now let's try them out. Connecting the AirPods should be as easy as just opening it up next to an iPhone. And you get that notification there and you can connect. And there you go. It says press 1 on either AirPods to play or pause. Okay, teaching us. Noise control, nice. Press and hold. Transparency. Press the volume slider to view additional controls. Cool. Okay. And that's it. We have here the AirPods battery life and we have the charging case battery life. Done. We are connected. Now let's take a look at what that tutorial is trying to show us. Pull down the control center here and long press volume. We have noise cancellation, which is the advanced noise cancellation technology, of which I guess is default, and transparency, where you just basically pass sound through the AirPods Pro, which is basically paying to use your own ears to hear. Now I'm going to try this out, but first I will listen to the AirPods 2 to give me some sort of benchmark to know how to compare it and I guess know how much better it is. So I'll just go in here to connect those. Stand these AirPods. I'm going to be trying both AirPods out with this Fire song from this Fire album, Laughter, Tears and Goosebumps from Fireboy. Yes, one of the best albums here in Nigeria last year. So let's do this. I mean, this sounds nice. I've never had any complaints about the AirPods. It just sounds fantastic. I mean, there's nothing to complain about. It's a fire song. Okay, so now I have that benchmark to compare the AirPods Pro to. Let's connect the AirPods Pro. As you can see here, I have my AirPods Pro connected now, and I can tell you it fits better in my ears, probably because of the rubber tips. And before hitting play, I can hear less noise in the background already. But let's do that. Oh, it just sounds louder and rounder. I can't even hear myself speak. Wow. This is amazing. What? That sounds ridiculous. Of course, I have the AirPods Pro in my ears and I want to try out these 3 modes we have under volume. So let's just go in there. Now it sets off and I can hear things around me the regular way I hear when I have my regular AirPods plugged in. So I'll just set this to transparency. Right now I'm talking and it's like I'm speaking into a mic and I'm hearing it through headphones I have plugged in. I don't know, some kind of digital way of listening to my voice, paying to hear with your own ears. Noise cancellation. And right now it's like I have this pressure in my ears, I guess, that's blocking out sound. It's similar to how your ears feel when you are on the plane. I don't know, I feel like this can actually be disturbing if you're not listening to any music. So anyways guys, that's been the video. I hope you enjoyed it one way or the other. I know you probably saw this somewhere before. Well, either way, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.